Gentlemen, I need you to listen closely. If you wake up in the morning and notice your body no longer responds the way it once did, if you feel flat, sluggish, or disappointed that those natural signs of manhood are fading, this may be the most important video you'll see all year. Because here's the surprising truth, losing morning vitality is not simply part of aging. For many men over 60, the real cause isn't age at all, it's poor circulation, nervous system imbalance, and hidden stress quietly shutting down your body's natural signals. And the longer you ignore it, the harder it becomes to get them back. But what if I told you the answer isn't another pill, risky supplement, or expensive treatment? What if the reset button for your energy, confidence, and yes, even those strong morning erections, was right here in your own two hands? That's exactly what this video is about. Today, I'll reveal 3 powerful hand massage techniques scientifically shown to boost blood flow, relax your nervous system, and restore natural testosterone rhythms. All 3 can help, but the third one, which almost no man over 60 knows about, could quietly transform your mornings within just weeks. I'm Dr. Jennifer Morgan, a urologist with over 25 years of experience helping men protect their prostate, restore circulation, and reclaim their vitality naturally. Over the years, I've listened to countless men share the same quiet frustrations. Doc, I wake up tired no matter how long I sleep. Doc, mornings feel empty, it's like my body has given up. Doc, my confidence just isn't what it used to be. If you've ever felt this way, let me assure you, you are not broken, and you are not alone. The issue isn't who you are. The issue is that no one has ever shown you how to unlock the natural systems your body already has. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how simple, targeted stimulation of pressure points in your hands can flip internal switches, boosting circulation, easing stress, improving sleep rhythms, and supporting the hormones that make you feel like yourself again. And the best part? You can do this anywhere, anytime, without spending a dime. Before we dive in, let me ask you something personal.
More energy,
If you could
deeper
fix just
sleep,
one thing
or the
about your
return of that
mornings right
powerful
now,
sense of
what would it
confidence
be? You thought was gone, which one would you choose? Type your answer in the comments. I read every single one, and your honesty helps shape the next videos I create for this community. So don't click away, because once you understand how these 3 techniques work, especially the third, you'll realize the key to renewed vitality has been sitting in the palm of your hands all along. Gentlemen, let's be honest about why so many men over 60 wake up drained, without the spark of energy or the natural signs of vitality they once trusted. Most assume it's just aging. But that's not the whole truth. What's really happening is a mix of declining circulation, nervous system imbalance, and the quiet belief that nothing can change. Together, these create a slow but powerful erosion of energy, confidence, and overall well-being. As the years pass, blood vessels stiffen, nitric oxide production drops, and circulation weakens. You may notice cold hands and feet more often, or numbness after sitting too long. These aren't minor annoyances, they're signals of poor circulation running throughout the body, including the areas responsible for intimacy and morning vitality. Think of it like a garden hose left outside too long. When new, water flows with power. But as buildup collects, the pressure weakens, and the steady stream becomes inconsistent. Your circulation behaves the same way. Without active support, the flow keeps declining. Another hidden factor is the constant stress men live with today. Worries about health, finances, and family keep the body trapped in what's called the fight or flight state. In this mode, cortisol, the stress hormone, rises, while testosterone falls. And when testosterone drops, so does your energy, your mood, your drive, and your ability to sleep deeply. Night after night, your body fails to recharge, leaving you flat in the morning without the natural lift you once counted on. But perhaps the most damaging mistake of all is resignation. Press gently into that point with slow, steady pressure for 1 to 2 minutes on each hand. As you do this, focus on your breathing, deep, slow inhales followed by long, relaxed exhales. This technique stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for rest and recovery. Many men report feeling calmer almost immediately, as if a weight has lifted off their chest. When practiced before bed, it helps quiet racing thoughts, lower cortisol, and prepare the body for deeper, more restorative sleep. Over time, better sleep means steadier hormones, sharper focus, and stronger mornings. Now, the third technique is the one very few men over 60 know about, yet it can be the true game changer. If you look at the base of your thumb where it connects to the palm, you'll notice a fleshy mound called the thenar eminence. This area is rich in nerve endings that directly influence circulation and hormonal balance. Using your opposite thumb, knead this spot in a firm, circular motion for about 2 minutes per hand. Men who practice this regularly often describe it as flipping a switch. Their hands warm up, their chest feels lighter, and they wake up with a renewed spark of vitality. This is because stimulating this reflex point helps improve blood flow not just to your hands, but throughout your body, including the regions most affected by age-related decline. Gentlemen, these 3 techniques may seem simple, but together they create a powerful daily ritual. Boosting circulation, calming stress, and resetting your hormonal balance all work hand in hand to restore the natural energy and confidence you thought was gone. And the best part? They cost nothing, require no pills, and can be done anywhere, in just a few quiet minutes each day. John sat across from me looking tired, defeated, and almost embarrassed. He said, "Doc, I think I'm done. The mornings I used to count on are gone, and I just don't feel like myself anymore." He had tried vitamins, supplements, and even considered prescriptions, but nothing gave him lasting results. What stood out most was not just his physical decline but the weight it placed on his confidence and relationships. I asked him to commit to one simple change: 5 minutes of daily hand massage using the exact 3 techniques I just shared with you. At first, he was skeptical. "Doc, how could rubbing my hands possibly change anything?" But he agreed to try. 2 weeks later, John returned with a completely different energy. His face was brighter, his posture stronger, and the first thing he said was, "I can't believe this, but I'm sleeping through the night again. And in the morning, I feel something I thought was gone for good." He described waking with natural energy, a calm mind, and yes, the return of those powerful signals of vitality he had missed for years. Gentlemen, John's story is not unique. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s rediscover energy, confidence, and performance simply by tapping into these natural reflex points. The truth is, your body still has the ability to regenerate and respond. But it needs the right signals, circulation, relaxation, and hormonal balance, to wake up those systems that time and stress have put to sleep. These techniques act like a reset button, reminding your body how to function the way it was designed to. And the best part is, it doesn't matter where you start. Even if you feel drained today, within weeks you can notice real changes: steadier energy, deeper sleep, and the kind of confidence that makes mornings exciting again. He said, "Doc, I feel like myself again. I carry myself differently, I speak with more certainty, and even my wife noticed that I smile more." That is the true power of reclaiming vitality. It is not just about stronger mornings, but about restoring the man you believe yourself to be. When confidence returns, everything else follows: your energy, your focus, your relationships, and your sense of purpose. Gentlemen, I want you to understand this clearly. You are not broken, and decline is not your destiny. Your body is waiting for the right signals, and when you provide them consistently, change happens. Circulation improves. Stress eases. Hormones rebalance. And your mornings start to feel alive again. The hand massage techniques are simple, free, and take only a few minutes a day. But what they unlock inside you is priceless. I have seen countless men just like John rediscover their strength and spark, even after years of frustration. You can, too. So let me ask you, are you willing to give your body this chance? Type yes in the comments if you are ready to commit for the next 2 weeks, or no if you are still unsure. Either way, stay with me, because in the next part 1 we'll walk you step by step through how to make this practice a daily habit that sticks, and why the results can be more powerful than you ever imagined. Consistency is what turns these techniques from simple exercises into powerful habits. Just as John discovered, it's not about doing them perfectly, it's about doing them daily. Over time, these small actions accumulate, strengthening circulation, calming stress, and allowing your hormones to rebalance naturally. The changes may begin subtly: sleep feels deeper, mornings feel lighter, energy feels steadier. But as the weeks pass, you begin to notice something even greater: the return of your confidence and the belief that your best years are not behind you. Gentlemen, I want you to leave this video with hope. You are not stuck. You are not broken. And decline is not inevitable. With just 5 minutes a day, you can begin to reclaim your energy, protect your vitality, and rebuild the strength that makes you feel alive. So here is my challenge for you. Tonight before bed and tomorrow morning when you wake, practice all 3 of these hand massage techniques. Pair them with slow, steady breathing, and commit to this routine for the next 2 weeks. Then, come back here and share in the comments what changes you notice. Did you sleep deeper? Did your mornings feel stronger? Did your confidence rise? Your story could be the spark that inspires another man watching today. And remember, gentlemen, this video is for educational purposes only. It does not replace medical advice. Every man's body is unique, and if you have personal concerns or health issues, always consult with your healthcare provider. But know this: your body was designed with incredible resilience. With small, consistent actions, you can unlock that resilience and feel like yourself again. Your spark, your confidence, your vitality, it's still there, waiting for you to turn the dimmer switch back up. And it starts with something as simple as the power in your own 2 hands. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay consistent, stay hopeful, and remember, your body has more potential than you've been led to believe. Every small choice you make adds up, and with just a few minutes of focused practice each day, you can begin to restore strength, energy, and confidence at any age. Gentlemen, never forget this: your best years are not behind you. They are waiting ahead of you, fueled by the small daily actions you choose today. Take control, commit to the practice, and watch how quickly your mornings, your health, and your confidence begin to change.